The process will start by installing the in-cylinder pressure transducer into the tailpipe and using a towel to seal the exhaust for more accurate reading, and then setting the range to 3 and connect the in-cylinder pressure transducer via this cable to the picoscope channel A. Two channels should be connected to perform this test. Channel A, which we have already connected to the in-cylinder pressure transducer, and the channel B should be synced to the ignition coil control circuit 1 to identify which cylinder is missing. Now I have completed the setup and I have both picoscope and the GDS display on the same screen and the channel B synchronized to ignition coil control circuit 1. Okay, turn the engine off. As we can see here, the GDS2 did not count any misfire data during engine first start. Let's analyze the data we have just recorded. The blue waveform is the in-cylinder pressure transducer waveform, and the red one is the sync with the ignition coil control circuit 1. I can clearly see when the engine first start up, we have a multiple exhaust drop, and then it went away when the engine RPM is stabilized. Let's zoom in to get more picture. We have multiple drop, and all the drop happen at the same time. We have sync drop, sync drop, sync drop. To know which cylinder is missing, there are multiple ways, but I prefer to use the software called pressure overlay software. But let me first take a zoom in picture, select print screen, then go to this software and Control V or paste it here. Then we have to press on this one and fill this data. We have number of cylinder, we have 8 cylinder engine, and we are syncing with cylinder and ignition coil 1, and the firing order of this engine according to SI, it's 1 8 7 2 6 5 4 3. Go. Multiple color appear here. The yellow color represents the intake stroke, the orange color represents the compression, and the red the power stroke, and the last one is the exhaust stroke, which we have focused in because we are measuring the exhaust pulses. Okay, now what we have to do is to put this data between the two syncing or to sync data. This is between this point and this point 720 degrees, which is one complete cycle of the engine. We have drop here, we have drop here, we start from here. The color, the exhaust color is 4 and 5. We all know that on 8 cylinder engine there are two strokes happen at the same time. So we have misfire at cylinder number 4 or 5. To carry out this test, I will remove the spark plug, disable the ignition coil, and install the WPS 500X. I speed up this video because it's limited for time. This will allow me to diagnose the engine mechanical performance. Then start the engine and collect data for a few seconds, simulating the customer complaint. Now we have gathered all the necessary data. It's time to proceed with the data analysis. This is the starting point when the engine is first start. The second waveform, this is when the engine RPM is stabilized, but I can not see some drop. Let me zoom in. At second number 2, we have loss of compression. If we measure this drop, it's almost to 3 psi, and the drop happened between second number 2 and number 3. Now I am 100% confident that the root cause is the lifter, nothing else.